Hi guys, I just want to do a quick video on this VOLPAM scooter. My son got this for Christmas, and let me tell you, I did a ton of research on this thing. If you want a scooter, like a best bang for your buck, the most watts for the money, this is it right here. And I'll tell you what, my son absolutely loves it, and it's awesome. I'm going to try to get a video of him at some point actually on it, but it's great. Here's your brake right here. Very simple controls. This is the go button. That's the go. And it will go 10 miles, 10 miles an hour. It is, let me tell you, it's sweet. And not only that, it has different modes. It has an economy mode, I guess driving or regular. It's like a normal mode. And then the sport mode. The sport is what gets you at 10. I think economy is 4. And it's 6 or 7 for just the normal mode. And it goes a long time. My son hasn't charged this up, and it's still just about full. And he used it quite a bit. So battery life is good. It plugs right in down. Well, there's your kickstand. Actually, the power is right there. You just plug it in right there. And yeah, it's good. Wheels are nice. Rubber. Can't complain. It's a good one, guys. If you're thinking about it, it's a great bang for your buck.